Good.
Hi guys, welcome back to Fire Glitter and More channel. So today we can make part 2 of my unicorn slime kit. And give a big thumbs up. And if you like this video, share it with everybody. Thank you. Let's go ahead and make the slime. Yay! Here, go ahead. We're going to be making the cloud slime. We're going to put 20 ml of snow powder in this bowl. Girl. We're going to put 200 ml of water into the snow powder. Girl.
100?
Yes. Then the other.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. We're gonna mix it. Let's mix. Oh yeah.
It looks like snow, right?
Yeah, it looks like snow.
Here, you want to use this spoon?
We can make the glue now.
Okay, pour some into the bowl. Half of the bottle.
I'm adding blue color.
Mm-hmm.
Can I put 10 drops? One. Scent.
I think that should be good.
Yeah. Putting blocks into the slime.
Okay.
Wait, it's gonna be wet slime like the last time. It should not be. We can. This feels like good slime.
Oh, really? You can put your snow inside now.
Huh?
You can put your snow inside.
Okay. There you go, slime. Wait. I'm going to do a drop. Okay, just gonna put it in. Then get this off of my hand. Yeah, I think we added too much snow to it. I think we added too much snow. Can I try to mix it in? I'm just gonna keep on putting snow in it until it's buried in snow, and then ta-da! Jiggling in snow. Wait, The slime is on me. Doesn't feel very good.
It doesn't?
Right? It doesn't, right?
It does. Oh,
What?
oh no, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're putting too much blocks.
Yeah, next time we make another slime, let's not put too much.
Mm-hmm.
Could I go ahead and play with it?
Yeah. I think we made too much now.
Yeah, let's just put all in it.
Okay.
On it. I mean, it looks so beautiful.
Not me.
Yeah, Daddy has to. Daddy. It looks
Look at it.
pretty cool. When you do it, we can have two slimes. The pink slime, the just pink slime, and this slime.
You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the kinetic sand.
Oh yeah. How kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. How
Yeah.